Welcome to Session 2, Horizontal and Vertical Distance. When 2 points share one coordinate, you do not need the full distance formula. You can read the segment as a one-dimensional change. Today, you will recognize horizontal and vertical segments, use absolute differences, avoid the grid line counting trap, and connect these distances to the sides of geometric figures. First, classify the segment. Equal y-coordinates place both points at the same height, so the segment is horizontal. Only x changes, and the distance is the absolute value of x2 minus x1. Equal x-coordinates place both points on the same vertical line. Only y changes, and the distance is the absolute value of y2 minus y1. The unchanged coordinate tells you the orientation. Find the distance from A, -4, 3 to B, 5, 3. Both y-coordinates equal 3, so the segment is horizontal. Subtract the x values. 5 minus -4 equals 9. Absolute value confirms a distance of 9 units. On the graph, the segment crosses the y-axis, but that does not split the calculation. From -4 to 0 is 4 units, and from 0 to 5 is 5 more. Now find the distance from C, 2, -6, to D, 2, 1. The x-coordinate stays 2, so the segment is vertical. Subtract the y values. 1 minus -6 equals 7. The vertical distance is 7 units. Notice that subtracting a negative becomes addition. A quick visual check agrees. 6 units from -6 to 0, then 1 more unit to +1. Distance is never negative, which is why absolute value matters. Reversing the endpoint order may produce -9 inside the bars, but its absolute value is still 9. Also, count intervals, not grid lines. From x equals -2 to x equals 3, the positions are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. 6 grid lines, but only 5 unit intervals. Subtraction counts the intervals automatically. Horizontal and vertical distances often become dimensions. Suppose opposite corners of an axis-aligned rectangle are -3, -2, and 4, 3. Its width is the horizontal change, 4 minus -3, or 7. Its height is the vertical change, 3 minus -2, or 5. Once the dimensions are known, perimeter is 2 times 7 plus 2 times 5, while area is 7 times 5. Classify the requested measurement before continuing. Use this routine. Check for equal y or equal x. Identify the changing coordinate, subtract its values, take absolute value, and verify by counting intervals. Final check. The vertical distance between -3, -4 and -3, 5 is 9 units. The x values match, and 5 minus -4 equals 9. In Session 3, both coordinates will change, creating a diagonal distance and a hidden right triangle. www.bridge2exam.com